Introducing the Epson SureColor F9530H, a next-level 64-inch dye-sublimation printer designed for enhanced performance. In this video, we'll highlight the key improvements and innovations that set it apart from its predecessor, showcasing how these upgrades elevate your printing experience. The Epson SC-F9530H features a compact design with a 23% reduction in height, comparing with SC-F9430H, making it easier to monitor the operating status of multiple units and enabling more efficient use of limited space. The innovative flat-top design allows users to work directly on the printer while simultaneously monitoring the printing process. Additionally, the transparent cover and interior lighting provide a clear view of the print status, making it easy for users to oversee operations. For instance, if a job is sent in error, customers can quickly detect and cancel it. The SC-F9530H features an innovative bulk ink solution with a hot swap function to enhance productivity. This system automatically switches the ink slot when one runs out during printing, enabling continuous operation and reducing downtime for maximum efficiency. The newly designed ink pack offers 45% more volume than the 1.1-liter detergent packs of SC-F9430H. This increase in capacity helps reduce the frequency of ink replacements and minimizes downtime, ultimately enhancing productivity. For the SC-F9430H, you need to open the ink pack and pour the ink into the tank, which may result in ink staining your hands and clothes. In contrast, the SC-F9530H offers a much easier and cleaner process. Simply pull out the tray and insert the ink pack. To enhance print applications, the SC-F9530H introduces two new color ink sets, light cyan and light magenta, and orange and violet. The light cyan, light magenta inks are ideal for projects involving skin tones and rigid materials, while the orange and violet inks provide an expanded color gamut for textiles and rigid substrates, surpassing the capabilities of the predecessor model. The media lifter included with the machine enables single-person operation. It allows an individual to load and replace heavy media easily. Whereas for the predecessor model, it requires two persons to lift and load the media. The SC-F9530H is designed for one-person operation, even when managing heavy media loads, while the SC-F9430H requires multiple manpower for media loading and unloading. The latest design helps businesses to lower down the overall operating costs. This saves cost of manpower and allows for greater productivity. When not in use, the magnetized media lifter can be conveniently stored beneath the printer, saving space. The upgraded 4.3-inch optical touchscreen LCD panel can display printer information and receive user inputs, allowing for a user-friendly experience. SC-F9530H has a built-in drying fan and a newly designed drying mechanism to accommodate increased printing speeds. The drying fan is a standard feature on SC-F9530H, giving it an advantage over SC-F9430H, which has it as an optional feature. The SC-F9530H can provide equal print quality with 250% higher productivity than the SC-F9430H. Take your business to the next level and seize new opportunities with the Epson SC-F9530H.